Taking care of your reusable water bottle isn't just about hygiene. It's about respecting the object that keeps you hydrated, energized, and environmentally conscious. That bottle you carry every day is more than a container. It's a companion on hikes, workouts, workdays, and long road trips. Touches your lips, holds the water that fuels you, and often rests within arm's reach. Over time, it begins to carry traces of you: fingerprints, stains, maybe even a faint smell of yesterday's smoothie. Deep cleaning, it isn't just a chore. It's a ritual of renewal, a quiet moment of care for something that supports your daily rhythm. 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist link in the description, plus bonus you will also get access to our free community made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. The first step in a proper clean is simple but essential. Disassemble everything. Unscrew the lid, remove any rubber gaskets, straws, filters, or sipping mechanisms. A deep clean means getting into every crevice where residue can build up unseen. Bacteria love tight corners and hidden threads, so anything that can be taken apart should be. Don't rush through this. Treat the bottle like a puzzle that's being taken apart for inspection, each piece deserving individual attention. Rinse the components under warm water to remove any surface debris. Then begin the deep clean with a mixture of warm water and mild, fragrance-free dish soap. Use a long-handled bottle brush, one with soft but sturdy bristles that can reach all the way to the bottom without scratching the inner surface. This is especially important for metal bottles, which can become dull or worn if scrubbed with overly abrasive materials. Scrub gently but thoroughly, making sure to swirl around the bottom edge where grime tends to hide. For bottles with narrow openings or tricky shapes, let gravity help. Fill halfway with soapy water, close the lid loosely, and shake well to dislodge residue your brush can't reach. Then pour it out and use a smaller brush or straw cleaner to scrub lids, valves, and silicone seals, areas where bacteria often hide. Even if they look clean, they can affect taste or even cause illness if neglected. Once everything is scrubbed and rinsed, it's time to sanitize. Cleaning removes grime. Sanitizing removes the invisible. Fill your bottle with a solution of 1 teaspoon of unscented household bleach to a quart of water. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes, long enough to kill any lurking microbes. Bleach isn't your thing, white vinegar can be used as a natural alternative. Mix equal parts vinegar and warm water, and allow the mixture to soak inside the bottle overnight. This gentle acidity breaks down mineral deposits and dissolves odors without damaging the material. No matter which sanitizing route you choose, thorough rinsing is key. Residual bleach or vinegar can alter the taste of your next refill or irritate sensitive skin. Rinse everything multiple times with warm water until the scent of your cleaning agent is completely gone. Follow up by placing the bottle and its parts upside down on a clean dish rack or towel. Letting it air dry completely is non-negotiable. Moisture trapped inside a sealed bottle can become a breeding ground for mold and mildew, undoing all your hard work. If your bottle has developed a funky odor that won't go away with soap and water, a baking soda paste can help. Mix baking soda with a little water until it forms a thick paste, and use it to scrub the inside walls. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and has natural deodorizing properties, making it perfect for battling deep-seated smells. Rinse well, dry thoroughly, and your bottle will feel like new again. Some materials need extra care. Stainless steel bottles can often handle hot water or even the dishwasher, but always check the manufacturer's instructions. Double-walled insulated bottles should be hand-washed to protect the vacuum seal. Plastic bottles are more forgiving but tend to absorb odors and discolor over time. Silicone lids and gaskets require gentle, consistent cleaning, especially if used with sugary or flavored drinks, to keep them from getting slimy or sticky. Making deep cleaning a weekly or bi-weekly habit helps prevent buildup. Even if your bottle only holds water, it can still collect minerals, skin oils, and bacteria with every sip. Over time, these traces turn your clean bottle into a breeding ground for germs. Regular, mindful cleaning keeps it fresh and safe, so every sip feels just as clean as the first. Just as cooking habits season a cast iron skillet, the way you care for your water bottle reflects your values, your mindfulness, health, and the daily routines that support them. A bottle that smells off or feels sticky doesn't just affect taste, it weakens your connection to hydration. When water doesn't feel fresh, you're less likely to drink it, and that impacts everything from energy to focus to mood. Regular deep cleaning is more than a chore. It's a quiet commitment to your well-being, a way of making self-care part of your everyday rhythm. And like any object that's been with you long enough to see patterns form, your water bottle becomes more than a container. Turns into a quiet companion, tagging along for early workouts, road trips, hikes, and long days at your desk. It's there when you commit to healthier habits, refill after refill. Over time, its surface shows wear, scratches, smudges, small dents, signs of being chosen again and again. Deep cleaning, it isn't about making it look new. It's an act of care, a nod to the role it plays in your wellness. A way to honor the small tools that quietly support your daily efforts. Ultimately, the value of a reusable water bottle lies in its quiet resilience. It shows up every day, asking only for a little care in return. When you disassemble it, scrub its threads, soak the cap, and dry it thoroughly, you're doing more than cleaning. You're reconnecting with a habit that nourishes you. It becomes a simple ritual, a moment of pause that aligns your actions with your intentions. With each deep clean, you restore its purpose, and with every clear, cool sip, you renew your own. Click the link below to get your free top 10 cleaning products guide and your free emergency speed cleaning checklist. And join our free community.